It's a course that we designed to feature the strengths of Hong Kong as an international financial center, logistics hub, innovation and technology center, and part of the GBA.
So in this course, we had two professors, one in business who had a long experience in industry, and we had another professor who was a civil engineer, very knowledgeable in AI. I think they really covered the whole playing field of business technology and innovation together. Me as an engineer, I got to see a taste of the business side. And of course, a lot of the business students got to see a taste of the engineering side.
And it attracted me that had a special trip to China. I saw that it was very interesting because they offered us to go to a lot of companies.
It was very fascinating to see how the GBA as a whole is growing and this kind of sector is evolving and how it's making an impact for Asia and the overall world.
That was really interesting, especially going to see their production line and seeing how their phones were made and all the robots and also people working together with the robots. That was surreal. It's not an experience that I would have got if I didn't come here.
And I tried to bring in a lot of guest speakers. We all wanted the students to be able to witness the amazing transformation of the Greater Bay Areas and all the different strengths. It really showed how companies went from really small startup to multinational companies spanning the globe.
Fun, exciting, and eye-opening.
International, up-to-date, unique.